He sees you before you see him. 3 hearts. 9 minds, 1 master of disguise. Each arm thinks for itself. Every color, every ripple, a thought made visible. It tastes the world through touch. Every cell reads the ocean like a language. Its skin is alive, shifting, thinking, remembering. And when he disappears, it's not magic, it's mastery. In less than a heartbeat, he becomes a storm. The ocean's shapeshifter, a mind beneath the waves.